we were with the seller the other day, and I know what we told them, but I'd like to have you repeat it or give your opinion. They said, hey, we want to go for sale in the spring. Should we remodel our kitchen? Should we remodel our bathroom? Should we do all the things that we've been wanting to do for the last 15 years before putting it on the market?
Great question. Hey, I mean, if you're living in an older home, you kind of need to update things every 10 years or so. I'm not sure what state their home was in, but I would say a new buyer is going to want to do it the way that they prefer, right? So maybe having a credit available, if somebody talks about it or has a concern about it, saying, hey, here's a credit for new flooring, or here's a credit for some bathroom tile or some kind of updates. I think that's a great option to give a buyer.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, that's what we told them yesterday as well, because what they like to say is, hey, a new buyer is going to want to remodel kitchen, but hint, they're going to want to do it their own way.
Yeah.
And what we've seen is the return on investment is highest for the big things that are not client specific: siding, roofing, flooring. Those are the things that everyone can get on board with. They say, hey, they put $30,000 in the siding, the house is worth $29,000 more. Those have 80-90% ROI. Kitchen remodels have 50% ROI, even day one. And after 10 years, they all have a value of 0. Homes are remodeled every 10 to 15 years. So our encouragement is sellers saying, hey, I'm not ready to go on the market. It needs an update. You know what? So does every home over 10 years. Just touch up the paint, get it clean, get it staged. That's for the new homeowner.